Hello children, today we will discuss about my body, which is lesson 3 of EVS. Look at this image. Our body is made up of different parts or organs. Some organs are inside our body or some are outside it. The parts of the body that we can see are called external organs. For example, mouth, arm, chest, neck, and all of these which are shown in this image are your external parts which you can see or touch. So these are called your external organs. Now we will talk about internal organs. What is internal organ? Internal organs are located inside the body. They are called internal organs like brain. Brain, heart, lungs, and kidneys or some other internal organs. We may not be able to see our internal organs, but they play a very important role in our body. First of all, we will talk about brain. The brain is located inside the body or inside the head. The brain helps us to think. It also controls the function of all other organs of the body. Can you feel something beating on the left side of your chest? What is that? That is your heart. The heart pumps the blood and sends it to all the parts of the body. Now, we will talk about lungs. The lungs help us to breathe. We have two lungs. The air we breathe in through our nose goes to the lungs. The lungs get bigger when they are filled with air. Stomach. The food that we eat goes to the stomach. The stomach is an internal organ that looks like a pouch. The stomach changes the food we eat into liquid form and help us to digest the food, and we get energy and strength from the food we eat. Now the next topic comes is here sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. These are our 5 sense organs or body parts that help us to know about the world around us. So these are called sense organs. Now there are 5 functions of these sense organs. First of all, we will talk about our eyes. Our eyes can see the beautiful world around us. We can read books, watch a football match on television, and see the time on the watch with our eyes. Now, the next sense organ is our nose. It helps us to smell. So, we can smell food in the kitchen. We can smell the beautiful flowers. We can also smell the foul smelling garbage in the garbage dump. Now the next sense organ is our ears. Ears help us to hear. We can hear with our ears. We can hear the sweet chirping of birds or the loud honking of cars. We also hear the soothing music. So ears help us to hear. Now the next sense organs is our tongue, which is inside the mouth. The tongue helps us to taste the food. When we eat something, the tongue let us know if it is taste sweet, salty, sour, or bitter. Now the next sense organ is skin. Our skin can sense whether mother hugs. It can sense hot or cold weather too. So it helps us to touch or feel. So these are the 5 functions of these 5 senses. Thank you.